Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Couple of Spice. And today my husband's joining us and we're gonna make one of our favorite dishes, which is
crab curry. You guys gonna love it. It's gonna be spicy, obviously, because we're making it, and it is gonna be one of your favorite dishes. And it's not any ordinary rock crab or dungeon crab or whatever those situations. This is blue crab. It was live at one point. Cleaned it. All right, so let's go through the ingredients, folks.
okay. So for the crab curry, you obviously need the cleaned and washed crab. This is about how many crabs?
Six small
crabs.
Yeah.
So that's that, and then you're gonna need about four small red onions and small, yeah, and green chilies. Forgot the curry leaves. Curry leaves. I'll add them after. You're gonna need garlic. You're gonna need to grind this up. Yes. And we're gonna need some spices. We'll show you what spices. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of turmeric right on the crab and just like toss it up lightly. Some tomatoes. So this is all the tomatoes I'm gonna use for that. These were, I didn't have tomatoes and he picked them right out of our garden. So I have my pot on. I'm just using regular canola oil. And we have all of our ingredients here, and I'm gonna get some spices. So, sorry guys, there's no sort of measurement on this. I'm just gonna eyeball it. You can use as much or little as oil as you like. Pan is nice and hot. So we're gonna add about 3/4, yeah, maybe a teaspoon.
That was a full teaspoon.
I was like, okay, fine, full. Okay. Oh my God, this is gonna go crazy.
Was that mustard seeds?
That's right. That is piratal, or also known as mustard seed. And I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of fennel, and like literally like that much of cumin. And that's it for now. And we're gonna add the garlic, lower the heat, and add the garlic that we ground up. Oh, can you get me a, oh, never mind, you're ahead of the game. So we're gonna lower the heat and let that like saute. And my husband washed up my favorite ingredient in everything, which is my curry leaves. I do not come to the kitchen without these, and I just like to just rip this up. Sometimes I do chop it up.
Guys, like he puts a lot.
I do. I'm sorry.
Like people put 4 or 5.
No, and I will put more
20.
in the end because
People put 20. But it's actually healthy for you.
Right. But you have to chew it, which I don't know. I don't think anybody does, but it's.
In a way, it's actually healthy for you.
So that is good. That is already looking good. So we're gonna put the heat back because it was a little too hot, and I'm gonna add all my onion and my green chilies. And okay, guys, now that this onion has sautéed, we need to add the fenugreek because I had the fenugreek last because it might burn. So I'm adding about a teaspoon, a little bit of fenugreek. This is what gives it that really nice flavor. So you're gonna want to add this and maybe just let it saute for another minute. Okay guys, this looks good. Let's add the tomatoes. Okay, and then we're gonna add a little bit more salt. Okay, usually 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, and we're gonna close the lid and let that cook down. Okay guys, now that the tomato has broken down, we're just gonna add the
final step.
Final step. I don't like to put it all, just like dump it, because I don't like the weird water in there. Okay, now we're gonna add sort of the final touch on the salt and all the spices, okay? So
that's a tablespoon of salt.
Teaspoon, but I've already added about a bunch more. Sorry guys, with the salt you're gonna have to
like we said, guys, honestly, like we mentioned in the live video when we're making the shrimp, seafood tends to absorb, there's a lot of sweetness in seafood, so it tends to absorb all the salt. So I'm gonna salt it according to your preference.
So next I'm gonna add the Tamil curry powder. This is our special couple of spice curry powder. I'm adding.
This is our mix.
2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna add. So I haven't found the best like plain chili powder, so I grounded this up myself with our special mix So this is just plain chili, like red chilies ground up. And then I'm actually going to use a tiny bit of the chili powder for color. I know, this is chili heavy. Told you, this is going to be spicy.
Couple of spice.
I will not eat crab without it being spicy. There's no
Couple of spice, guys. Couple of spice.
Couple of spice, yeah. But it's fine. So I'll turn the video off and fan on, please. Okay guys, now that I mixed it up, I'm gonna just close this for like 1 minute just to let this the spices cook down. I've lowered the heat as well. Okay guys, let's check on this. Looking good. We're gonna add hot water. So you're gonna want the water to be about an inch more. It needs to be over the crab, basically. That's how I see it. The hot water needs to be over, or like the crab needs to be submerged in the water, like this. People are gonna be like, we're gonna close the lid and let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes and check on the crab. Okay, guys, that's been about 18 to 20 minutes, I would say. The crab curries look always hot. Rating, this is the perfect time to add your tamarind. So we've already had the tamarind here. We're gonna add, he's picky about this, so he's gonna add it. One more maybe, or a little bit. I don't know. This is a tasting thing. Yeah, we've added 3 tablespoons of tamarind. We're gonna mix that and we're gonna let the tamarind cook down and the whole curry to really cook down. Because you can see that this is still like quite watery. But yeah, we wanna let the tamarind cook a little bit. Okay. Right, like in a minute you can taste. Okay, I have my tasters ready to go, but before they taste, I have to add the final touch, which is my curry leaves. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry, this is how much I add. I'm sorry. You need the curry leaf smell, guys. That is, like,
I told you guys.
That is a real, I do. If I can have, if I can own a tree, oh my God. Okay, who wants to taste first?
My little boy.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you don't, he doesn't,
He wants to try to get in the video.
Yes.
Okay, show, okay, Daddy, you're gonna put it on your hand?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Come this way, I don't want you to get,
Okay.
it's too
No, it's
hot.
okay. It's okay.
Turn the oven off.
Come on, baby.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
That's good. That is good. That is good.
Nice.
Tell the truth.
How much out of 10?
How much out of 10?
You just got an extra 2K.
2K.
Extra 2,000.
2,000 out of 10. I love that.
Nice and dark, mommy.
Okay, nice and thick gravy.
Oh my God. Beige, beige.
So,
That's
this is
perfect.
it. We're going to turn this off.
And we're gonna plate it and we'll show you how it
We'll
looks.
plate it. And we have other curries, but we're posting that as separate videos. But I just want to make a note that some people do add coconut milk to this, and that is fine. We don't prefer it. I think it takes away from the flavor. How it is right now is perfect. You can eat this with rice. You can eat this with puttu. Puttu is
Parota?
parota. I don't know. I've seen it.
Anything.
I'm sure you can eat with anything. But our favorite is puttu and then the curry. Perfect.
Puttu is the best.
So please try the recipe and
Make it and then repost it, guys, please. If you really support us, I want you guys to make it and repost it saying good
or bad. Yeah, even if it's bad, let us know. I would love to hear from you. So that's it. This is done. Enjoy. Follow us for more. Bye.